A factory worker with medical issues was fired and tried to assemble a disability discrimination case in Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Kentucky versus Williams. Ella Williams worked on an assembly line at a Toyota factory and developed carpal tunnel syndrome. Ella's doctor restricted the type of work she could perform. Toyota gave Ella modified work. Then, Ella was moved to quality control, where she inspected paint jobs. Almost 2 years later, Ella was tasked with wiping down cars. Ella held her arms high for several hours every shift, causing shoulder and neck pain. Ella went to Toyota's doctor, who diagnosed her with several conditions involving inflammation and compressed nerves in her shoulders and arms. She asked to be reassigned to paint inspection. Ella later claimed that Toyota refused, and Toyota later claimed that Ella began missing work. Then, Ella's doctor put her on a no-work restriction. Toyota fired Ella. Ella sued Toyota under the Americans with Disabilities Act and Kentucky Civil Rights Act, which provide similar protection as the Americans with Disabilities Act. In support, Ella claimed a disability that physically limited her from working, lifting, gardening, doing housework, completing manual tasks, and playing with her kids. Discovery provided evidence that Ella could do some of these tasks, like gardening or certain chores around the house, but she sometimes needed help and did them less. She was still able to bathe and brush her teeth. Toyota moved for summary judgment, and Ella filed a cross motion for partial summary judgment. The district court granted Toyota's motion, reasoning Ella wasn't disabled when she asked for accommodations, and she wasn't wrongfully fired. Ella appealed. The Sixth Circuit reversed in part, reasoning that Ella was disabled, and awarded her partial summary judgment. The Supreme Court granted cert.